Okay, let's take stock then of what the dealing rooms, what the stock market participants were up to this week, Nimesh.
It was a very tough week for not only for investors but even for the traders. You know, the way the stocks have corrected 40, 50, 60% of the Adani Group stocks, and actually it's cleaned out a lot of traders, so to speak. The big theme of FI selling continues, as even Prashant pointed out. Money is moving out of India. That's been a big theme. Earnings have been quite mixed so far, so there is not big earnings support as well. I guess next week there is the RBI policy that's going to have a center stage, and the fact that a lot of the Adani Group's companies are going to report earnings, right? So it will be like everybody's going to look at with a microscope as to what they report, cash flows, cash numbers, and everything. So I think that's going to dominate next week as well. But the bigger theme is the money keeps going out of India from the larger FIs.
Absolutely, and I think as Nimesh said, next week is very important because we have the RBI policy, and especially after the budget. Also, like Prashant mentioned, by the end of this week, you could sense that the market was willing to move on, ex of Adani. I mean, the Adani impact intraday was not having as much an impact on the market. In fact, the Bank Nifty for last 2 days really gave you a comforting close. On Friday, in fact, the Bank Nifty was up 800 points, and my sense is maybe another 1,000 points left over there. But we have Basant Maheshwari joining us now in our studio. Basant,